Perfume versus fragrance. What's the real difference? Have you ever wondered about the difference between perfume and fragrance? Both words are about nice smells, but they are used in different ways. Imagine walking through a garden and admiring the fragrance of flowers, or choosing a bottle of perfume to wear on a special day. These words can be confusing for English beginners, but don't worry. Today, we'll explain them clearly and help you use them with confidence. Let's get started. The main difference between perfume and fragrance lies in their usage and meaning. Perfume refers specifically to a product used as a personal scent, typically made with high concentrations of essential oils or aromatic compounds. It can also mean a pleasant smell, but this usage is less common. Example: she bought a new perfume with a floral scent. Fragrance refers to a pleasant smell in general, whether natural, like flowers, or artificial, like in cleaning products. It is also a broader term used to describe the scent of various products, including perfumes, candles, and detergents. Example: the fragrance of fresh lavender filled the room. Key distinction: perfume is often a specific item, a bottle of perfume. Example: she sprayed a little perfume on her wrist before leaving for dinner. His perfume had a subtle woody scent that was very appealing. Fragrance is more general and can describe any pleasant smell. Example: I love the fragrance of fresh coffee in the morning. Fragrance-free products are ideal for sensitive skin. Next, conversation practice. Scene: Emily and Sarah are at a perfume counter in a shopping mall, picking up a bottle. I'm not sure what kind of perfume to choose. I want something nice for the New Year's party with friends, but there are so many options. Oh, I know what you mean. Let me help. Have you tried this one? It's Dior J'adore, floral and elegant, perfect for a party. Sprays it on her wrist. Oh, wow, this smells amazing. It's light but still noticeable, right? And if you want something a little bolder, maybe try Tom Ford's Black Orchid. It has a deep, spicy fragrance that's so unique. Ooh, this is good too. You have great taste, Sarah. You should totally get one for yourself. Thanks, but perfumes don't work for me. I'm actually a bit sensitive to fragrances. Even things like scented detergents or lotions make me sneeze sometimes. Really? I didn't know that. So, you use all unscented products? Yep. Pretty much everything. Unscented soap, fragrance-free laundry detergent, even my shampoo. It's annoying sometimes, but at least I don't get headaches. Wow, I can't imagine giving up all those nice scents. I love how different perfumes can set different moods. I get that. I mean, I can still enjoy the fragrance of flowers or fresh air, but I just can't have it on me or in my products. That makes sense. Well, thanks for helping me pick. I think I'll go with the Dior. It feels fresh and not too strong. Great choice. You'll smell amazing at the party. Just don't stand too close to me if you spray too much. Deal. But who knows? Maybe one day they'll create a perfect perfume that you won't be allergic to. Oh, that would be amazing. Let's hope for a miracle then. Maybe it'll be my New Year's wish. Okay, that's all for today's practicing. Hope you enjoy it. Bye for now.